Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working on an SAT math question on simultaneous equations, or if you'd like to call it systems of equations. We're going to be finding the value of x as well as the value of y. And there is a twist at the end of this question that is going to basically give you a new perspective whenever you solve questions like this. So you have 2x plus y equals 25 and x plus 2y equals 20. My plan is to use the elimination method. I go from two variables and two equations to one variable and one equation. So we're going to do that. So my goal is to eliminate x, and to eliminate x, I am going to multiply the second equation by -2. And when I rewrite that, I get 2x plus y equals 25, and then 2 times x, that's -2x, -4y, -40. And when I have these two, I am going to add them up, because that's what you're going to do in math. 2x plus minus 2x, that's just 0, because that's 2x minus 2x. Successfully eliminated x like I wanted to. And then y minus 4y is the same thing as -3y. And then 25 minus 40, that's -15. So you have -3y equals -15. Cancel the negative. So you can do that, and you have y equals 15 divided by 3. You can do that by just canceling that. 3 in 1 and 3 in 15 is 5. So we have the value of y to be 5. Now, because I've explained that, we're going to try to eliminate one variable, eliminated x, so we can have a simpler equation, 3y equals to 15, so we can find the value of y, and then we're going to substitute this value of y into one of the equations so we can find the value of x. You can pick, by the way, you can pick any of them. You can pick 2x plus y equals 25, so you can pick in this one here, you can pick in this one here, and you can even pick in this one here. You can pick in any of these equations, because it's an equation. The left hand side must equal the right hand side. So if you're doing everything you're doing to the left hand side, if you're doing it to the right hand side, then your equation stays consistent, so it doesn't really matter which one you pick to find the value of x. So we have x plus 2y, that's the one I want to pick, equals 20, and we know that y equals 5, so that would be x plus 2 times 5 equals 20, so that would be x equals 20. 2 times 5, that's 10, so that would be x minus 10, because 2 times 5 is 10, and I want to isolate x, so that would be x equals 20 minus 10, that is 10. So the value of y is 5 and the value of x is 10. Now, we've done the work, honestly, but one thing I notice many students make, and this is where the twist comes out, is that when you're given an SAT problem, they immediately solve, oh, I'm supposed to solve for x and y, and that's it. They're going to say the answer is x, y, so the ordered pairs as 10, 5. But one thing they forget is that sometimes at the end of the question that you're given, there is a twist. And in this particular twist, we have 4x plus 4y. So our work isn't done. Our work is still ongoing, right? So the actual twist is for you to have 4x, right, plus 4y. Please look at the bottom of the page. So let me do like a red box here. 4x plus 4y, right? And that's what what the twist is. Some students, unfortunately, if they're not paying attention, they're just going to add 5 plus 10. That's 15. The answer is 15. No, that's not what the answer is. And if you're given a multiple choice question and the answer 15 is there, some students might not even realize that there's a 4 there, and they will put the answer as 15. Or if it's one of those shading portions, you could actually put 15 and just have your answer wrong, even though you actually know how to get it and you did the calculation wrong. So this is a common sense part of the test. So you have 4x plus 4y. That is the same thing as saying 4, open bracket, x plus y. So that's going to be 4. X plus y is 10 plus 5. And that's going to be 4 times 15. The answer is 60. So in the test, when you're given this tricky problem or a simultaneous equation or something with a twist, I believe you're going to be able to handle this. You've understood that you're just not going to do the math. Sometimes you also actually have to think through the problem. I wish you guys all the very best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.